What if everything you know about wealth is a mere illusion? What if the true essence of wealth is not what society has conditioned us to believe? Let's dive into this intriguing conundrum. Traditionally, wealth was seen as a straightforward concept. The more money and material possessions you have, the wealthier you are. It was a game of numbers, a race to accumulate the highest amount of assets, properties, and bank balances. The rich were those who had the most, the ones who could afford to buy whatever they wanted, whenever they wanted. However, a new understanding of wealth is emerging, one that challenges this traditional perspective. It suggests that wealth is not just about having money, but about what that money can do for you. It's about the freedom and opportunities that money can provide, the ability to live life on your own terms, to have control over your time, and to invest in experiences and relationships that matter most to you. It's not about the quantity of money, but the quality of life it affords. This new